Welcome to this market overview of the Excimer Laser Gases Market. At nanometer precision, light becomes a tool, and Excimer Laser Gases make that possible. In 2024, the global Excimer Laser Gases market is valued at USD 530 million. The market is projected to reach USD 870 million by 2030, growing at an 8.6% CAGR. Excimer laser gases are essential for semiconductor lithography, display manufacturing, and precision micromachining. Asia-Pacific leads the market, driven by massive semiconductor fab investments in China, Taiwan, South Korea, and Japan. North America benefits from advanced node R&D, while Europe supports demand through photonics and industrial lasers. Growth is driven by advanced chip scaling, EUV and DUV lithography demand, and rising use of laser-based manufacturing. Key challenges include gas purity requirements, supply chain sensitivity, and stringent safety regulations. Bottom line, Excimer laser gases are a critical input for next-gen semiconductor and display technologies. For more information, please visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or contact us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.